everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and if you're returning, today I have a really quick Dollar Tree haul. I stopped in there today and I actually found a few really neat new items. Some of them are from the new nautical theme that Dollar Tree is going to be carrying now, and I love that beachy look. They've done really well. I didn't get to get a lot of them because they were still unboxing, but I did pick up a few items that I wanted to show you just as a little sample of what they're going to be getting in. And I also found a couple of items that they're going to be adding in to the Dollar Tree Plus section. And now some of the other items are just some things that I like to work with and little staple items and a couple of things that I'm going to be using for those garden theme DIYs. Well, let's go ahead and I'll show you just a few of them that I picked up. Now some of these are just supplies. Of course, I always like to get these little Crafter Square little tear-off palettes, and these are great just to dump your paint out on, and you can just tear that one sheet off and then just throw it away when you're done. So that's a good find. And of course, we always need our little foam blocks. And then I picked up some of these, the little hair rollers that are bendable. These are great to make those really neat little garden theme insects and stuff out of. So I've got some really fun ideas coming up with these. And then I also picked up some of these little wood pieces. These are probably some of my favorite. I love to get these, everyone. You can do so many things with these. You can make the wall art background for some of the pictures, or you can make the little boxes, but that's definitely a staple for me. And then I actually picked up some of these funnels, and I may be using these in a DIY. If nothing else, I really just like to have these around my house. And of course, I picked up some of the zip ties, and this is really the best deal that I know of on these zip ties, and they're really expensive everywhere else, so I always like to pick up some of those. And then I stopped in over at the toy section, and I found this little toss game with the ball, and I have an idea for this, and I think I might be able to use this for one of my garden themed creations, so we'll see what I come up with that. And then I found the umbrella, and everyone, I'll leave the link in the description for the umbrella that I made with the little plant lady. It was a really cute one if you haven't seen it, but I thought this was so neat because they had the little toy patio set and the little umbrella, and I thought this would be so great to paint this and make it as a neat little garden themed decor piece. And then I found some of these really pretty flowers, and they call these Blossom Fern. But everyone, look at this, and you know how much I love my neutral. And I thought these were really good quality. But I'm definitely going to do a really pretty arrangement with these. And then back to that Crafter Square section, because I kept going around 2 or 3 different times just seeing if I would see something different, and you always do. They had some of these butterflies made out of that MDF board, and I just love these. I think the shape of these are really pretty, and I got 3 of these because I think these would even look pretty on a wreath, or I've got a couple other ideas, but you could paint these, you could Mod Podge with decoupage these, but there's so many fun things to do with these, so I definitely picked up those. And then I always like to get this oval shape, and I kind of got an idea for these with a garden theme creation, so we'll see what I come up with on that one. And then I did pick up some of these little plant hangers, and I think this is just a really good size, and I actually have a DIY for these also. And everyone, this is a really neat little trick of mine, and I've been waiting for them to get these back in. And you know, I've been liking to do the bumblebees and the honeybees. Well, these whisk are kind of made with that rubber on the outside and the wire on the inside, and I'm just going to tell you, look at this. When you pull these out, this is the perfect shape that you can make a wing for some of your little flying insects. So that is definitely one to get if you want to create the bees or some of the dragonflies maybe different one. And then also I picked up some of these little LED lanterns, and I just like these to have in the summertime. I think they're really neat to hang up. And I actually have a DIY that I'm working on that I want to see if it turns out with these. But for $1.25, everyone, that's a really great deal for those. And then let me see what else I got. Oh, and of course I just picked up some of the drop cloths because those are just really, really good to have when you're working on a lot of projects. And I did pick up another one of the watering cans, and I really like this gray, but I think I'm actually going to paint this one and do maybe an arrangement or something in there. Hang on just a second, everyone. Okay. Well, I think that's it for those. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the items that I picked up from their nautical section. And everyone, I love these so much. First of all, they had a couple of these signs, and I've got a technique that I like to do for these to remove the glitter on these. And I really like this one. I thought this was just a really neat one to keep calm and stay anchored. But I thought that was a really good one that you could leave as is, or you could change it up a little bit. And then they've got Life is Better at the Beach. Now that was just a couple of those. They did have a few more. And then I found some more of the little wood pieces, and they have the little whale. And I got 2 packs of the turtles because I just thought these turtles were so cute. And they also had the starfish. But everyone, are these not adorable? I can just see all kinds of different things that we could do with, especially the turtle, to, you know, do like a center with either fabric. You could paint it, or you could do like a decoupage type thing on there, but that would be really, really neat. And then I really like these. I love the shape, that it's the little clam shape and it says relax. The colors are really pretty, but of course I'm probably going to change this one up a little bit. And they have the starfish, which I thought was a really, really neat design. And they also had some of the paintings that were really, really, really pretty paintings. And let me go ahead and open these so that plastic like doesn't glare on there. If I can get them open, I don't have anything to open them with. But you know, but I had done that one video where I did the wood background on some of the paintings. But everyone, look how cute. That is just a nice, sweet little simple beach painting. And for $1.25, that's a really good deal. So they had this one. And then I found one that they had of the little birds on the beach. Let me see. Oh, there it is. I mean, I thought this was just so pretty. And just imagine if you could take and do like a whitewash on the boards and just put this in the center. I'll leave that link in the description where I had done that with a couple other of the paintings that they had there. But I just thought this one was so pretty. And then I have one more of the paintings. And I thought that was really, really pretty. Let me see if I can hold these all up so you can see. And even all 3 of these together would make a really, really pretty design. But everyone, that is just a small portion of what they're going to be having for the nautical theme. Now, the last 2 items that I found were 2 of the items that they're going to be carrying in the Dollar Tree Plus section, and it was these really large hearts. And I just thought these were so pretty. And this one, I right now see 4th of July, you could decorate this and do something really fun for your door. And I think these are just great staple pieces. I can see so many different things that you could actually do with these. But these were, like I said, $5 each from that section. But those are the items that I found today, and I just wanted to share those with you. And because I thought they were too fun, and I know we got a DIY video coming up tomorrow, but when I do get to go back to Dollar Tree, I will definitely try to be getting some more of those nautical theme items for you, because they seem to be putting a lot of those out. They had so many boxes in the back, so I'm really excited to see how much they're going to get out within the next week. Well, everyone, if you did enjoy the haul today, I hope you do give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, here on my channel, I like to do haul videos like this, and I love to do the home decor on a budget. And we will also be taking some trips, like my daughter and I had taken to Asheville this past weekend and touring some of the antique stores and some of the thrift stores to see what we could find to create with. And the first of every week, I'm going to be doing those pop-up videos. And then every Saturday between 7 and 8 p.m., I'll be doing the Dollar Tree DIYs. Well, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed weekend, and I will see you tomorrow.